What is the best staking plan for sports betting systems? I can tell you with a lot of confidence that the answer is the Whitaker staking plan. What is it? It's a combination of percentage staking, target profit staking, and secure staking. Why do I say I'm confident about this? Because I wrote the book on it. And you can read about the Whitaker staking plan and, most importantly, the correct settings to use with it in my book, The Staking Plans Book, which is out now on Amazon. Or you can take a look at my website, www.thestakingbook.webs.com, for more information first. The book analyzes 32 staking plans and ranks them from best to worst. But it's not enough just to know the best staking plan. We also need to know the correct settings to use with those plans. How much should you stake, and when to increase or decrease stakes? Each staking plan has its own chapter that shows the best settings, a walkthrough of how to use it, a simple summary table with pros and cons, and a detailed analysis of the staking plan applied to various types of betting system. Each staking plan was tested with 7 different artificial data sets of 10,000 bets and 1 artificial data set of 60,000 bets with different odds levels, from low odds range betting systems to high odds betting range systems. And also each staking plan was also tested with real betting systems taken from Betaminic.com, a website that allows you to follow football betting systems based on big data. Each of those data sets were also put through 1,000 Monte Carlo simulations to make sure the results were not just due to luck. All the staking plans were then ranked based on their efficiency when used with a 100-point bank, so they could be compared fairly and evenly. The book also includes advice on when to take out profit from a system. This is probably the most thorough examination of staking plans ever undertaken. I wrote the book because I wanted to know what the best staking plan was, but there were no books out there that really answered the question properly, so I did it myself. The staking plans were researched using the Staking Machine, software by David Morris, an amazing tool for analyzing betting systems and staking plans. The 32 staking plans in the books are, as you can see here, Kelly staking, square root staking, Fibonacci, martingale, parlay, rolling doubles, secure, LP28, level, percentage, target, profit, and so on. If you already have a working betting system, this book will help you find the perfect staking plan for it and get even more profit out of your betting system without increasing the risk level. If you do not have a working betting system yet, this book will introduce you to Betaminic's publicly available football betting strategies that are based on big data and which work very well with the staking plans recommended here. You can see here the effect that Whitaker staking has had on some real betting systems from Betaminic.com, and here they're in order of their average odds. So these are low odds systems and high odds systems. You can see that you get a bigger improvement with the lower odds systems, and you get a smaller improvement with higher odds systems, but you still get an improvement on level stakes by using the right kind of staking plan. The correct settings and how to use Whitaker staking is in the book. If you go to my website, www.thestakingbook.webs.com, you can find the detailed contents page in full, and also you can find out how to get this book and my other sports betting books for free. Yes, free, if you sign up to Betaminic.com to follow their big data betting systems there. I've also written Winning Sports Betting Strategies with Betaminic, and also Big Data Betting on Football, the Betaminic Guide too. For more information, take a look at my website, and you can also take a look at the links under the video. Thank you for listening.